Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit the call to action footer. Okay, this is the 03 footer of Fancybricks. This template will work with classes. Okay, and click on the element, click on the class, and you can change the styles and the content. For example, this container, you can change this container, click on this class, you can change the column gap and row gap and the style. This element have a CSS, click on this class, go to style, and now you can see the CSS code. This is a subheading. Okay, this subheading have a class. If you change this style for this subheading, all elements with this subheading will change. Okay, you can click on this class, change the layout, typography, color, background, and make the change. Okay, for this background color, this is the yellow background color that you see here. You can change the background. Click on the class and you can change the background. You can change the opacity for this element. You can change the opacity 0.9, 0.5, okay, 7, 8, 9. You can change the opacity. And for these buttons, okay, these buttons have a class, and you can change the style. And if you add this class for other buttons, and the other buttons have the same styles. Okay, click on the button, click on the CSS class. You can go to style, change the typography, color, the background, CSS, and the gap. Okay, you can change the gap. And for the hover, okay, click on the class. Okay, you can see that class is select, and click and select hover for change the styles on hover for this class. Okay, you can change the background, you can change the typography, and you can edit this button. For change the hover border of this button, okay, you can go to container CSS here, select the class, go to CSS, and you can change these colors for this button on hover. If you don't need that this button change the border and typography on hover, you can delete these lines. Okay, for example, this is the background color. Okay, this is a CTA footer, CTA background. You can change the background, for example, a red background. You don't need that this is changed for black, and you would only need go to containers, CSS, and you can delete this CSS, and now the border and the color of text don't change. Okay, and now you can change this color. Okay, and you can change the color for this this text. Okay, and all elements you can change the change for the same way.